Fully open and secure the tailgate with a jack or stand to relieve hinge stress. Disconnect the support cables attached to the hinge brackets using a wrench. Remove the handle assembly to access the striker pin. Unbolt the hinges from the truck bed frame, having an assistant hold the gate to prevent it from falling. Ensure you note the position of any weather stripping or sensors before lifting the tailgate away. Remember that the tailgate weighs 50 to 80 pounds, so avoid using excessive force. Replacing the tailgate involves reversing the removal steps. Start by aligning the hinges with the truck bed frame, then reconnect the support cables and latches. Next, torque the bolts to the manufacturer's specification of 20 to 25 foot-pounds to prevent warping. Make sure to torque evenly across all bolts. Test the tailgate operation by opening and closing it several times to confirm everything works smoothly. For 2019 and newer models with power locks, use a scan tool to reset any error codes that may have been triggered. Remember to always torque evenly and lubricate the cables to extend their lifespan. If your Ram is often exposed to humid climates, regularly inspect the hinges for corrosion.